Hello?
Congrats to PR's only son. You're very lucky.
That is my bad luck. Talking to you is my good luck.
Thank you. The other day, what I wanted to tell you was...
Not on the phone! Where shall we meet?
Same place?
I'll be there.
Good evening and welcome to our news bulletin. Assembly
What a technology! We plant the bomb and see it live on TV.
You planted the bomb correctly?
Correctly in the center of the jeep. When it explodes, Satya will be blown into pieces.
Hi.
You wanted to say something?
The other day, what I wanted to tell you was... these days you seem to be very tensed.
No more tension. Tell me quickly, Vada.
I think...
Well, if you're feeling shy, shall we think of a code? 225?
Huh? What code is that?
That's it. In English, it's 143. I love you. In our special code, it's 225, right?
Ah, that's it. That's it. 225.
Look, Satya, how everything is falling into place. Oh my God, did she really say it? Don't talk anymore. Let me enjoy. Confirmed?
Yeah, confirmed.
Sure.
225.
Explosion has been reported.
Bomb exploded!
According to police, a lot of people have been injured and 10 people have been reported dead in the explosion. Details of the dead is not known yet. Here is
Who kept the bomb in my jeep?
No, he's not the man! He is the man! He is the culprit who fixed the bomb! How can I get
Hey! If you come near, I'll kill her! I will kill her!
Kill her?
Huh?
She is nothing to me.
Stop it! Stop it, I say! Sir, get into the jeep.
Keep my
George, what's his background?
He was moving with acid for the past 6 months, sir. Recently joined Das.
Hey, what's your name?
Satya.
Satya. Oh, Satya means truthful. Father's name? What's your father's name? Why are you silent, man? What's your father's name?
PR. Father's name is PR. Is that enough?
Sir, your son?
The jeep is his.
It was run on gas cylinder. It blew up.
Sir, give them the bail papers.
Sir, you may go.
Father, shall we?
Wait, Satya. Premalya is for orphans, definitely not for children like you who have fathers. Anytime you may be attacked by Das. Satya, PR has immense love for you. Otherwise, he would not have come here. Respect my advice and go with him. Come. Come, Satya.
Welcome. Welcome, Satya. Welcome to your house. PR, Priya and my wife have come.
Small boss, Seshu's daughter, come from America.
Come. Please come.
Home sweet home. Acid.
Hi.
Show him the house.
Ah.
Bharat, Seshu.
Hey, Acid, take good care of him.
Yes. Small boss, in Hong Kong, I had a doubt about you. Now this house is yours, chair is yours. You become a legal heir to the place where you started as an ordinary worker. It's wonderful, small boss.
Stop blabbering. Show me my room.
Up, small boss.
Stop this small boss business.
Okay, small boss.
Are you going to rape me now?
Have you decided? Are you Priya? You look like your mother.
Will you rape? Only after knowing the details of the person? Daddy! Daddy, psycho! Rapist! Daddy!
That is Satya, PR's son.
Really? While coming out from the airport, some rascal attacked Priya. He saved her.
No, you know him already. He is dynamic. Satya, Priya, my daughter.
She looks like a mother. Confusion is yours.
Good joke.
Okay, I like this room. Shift her to another room.
Room shift. Okay, shift.
Hi, Uncle. Good morning.
Hi, Priya. Good morning. How are you?
I'm very good, Uncle. Congratulations, Uncle. You got your son.
I'm a little worried about Satya. You know, he grew up amongst laborers. Very rustic. He needs to be groomed, stylized. Can you help me?
Sure, Uncle. I'll do that. I'll start grooming him.
What are you guys doing here, huh?
Such a big house. Look at
Why
this.
have you come here?
Where is Satya?
Hey, he's sleeping inside. What do you want, huh?
From now on, this is our house.
Huh?
Come on, guys. Yay! Come. Let's go.
What's that? You? What are you doing here?
Just observing. Your dad asked me to change your style. I have to change your hair, do facial, change your dressing style. It's bad. Morning jog, squash, fitness, all these are important.
Fitness?
Huh?
I don't think so. Everyone knows I'm fit and I always look like a hero. I don't need all this. Please leave me alone. Let me sleep.
I need fitness. Huh?
That's correct. Well said. Have all of you come? Enjoy. The entire house is yours. Hey, what's wrong with her?
Nothing. Satya, Varalakshmi is waiting for you. It's Valentine's Day, you know.
Oh God, why did you tell me earlier?
I have to tell Vara about this Priya girl. Where's your boyfriend? He'll come.
Happy Violence Day.
Violence?
Sorry, what did I say? Greetings on Lover's Day.
Thank you and same to you. I heard that there's somebody called Priya in your house. Rambo told me. Competition, is it?
What? Competition for you? No.
Those flowers are mine.
Brother, nature belongs to all of us. Don't say that flowers are mine, branches are mine, leaves are mine, trees are mine. It sounds very bad. Seriously.
I kept it there.
Then look there. Why are you troubling us here?
My name will be there. I wrote it. Come on, move. See.
Is it this?
How come this is on my back?
Every time I meet you, something goes wrong. Once it was a fight. Another time a bomb. I'm feeling tensed.
Don't worry. No tension from now on.
Satya?
Oh my God.
Thank you. Happy Valentine's Day.
Thanks.
I should have said this earlier itself when I was lying next to you on your bed. But I didn't have flowers then. And later couldn't find you.
Meet Varalakshmi.
Oh, hello. Come, I want to talk to you.
On his bed. Got it, Varalakshmi? He took my flowers and she took the flowers which you gave. We should take care of ourselves outside the sentry problem. If he's a cowboy, I'm a love boy, eh?
Hey Satya, I want to get to know you. Let's go out. Let's start by being friends.
Let's go.
Am I that boring? What happened to you, Satya?
No. Go on.
You are a bore, it seems. But these flowers are mine.
Who cares? Let me sleep, Buja. Get out of the way!
Hey, what are you doing? Not here. Inside.
Yay! Cool. Come on, let's eat. Have no discipline.
Enjoy yourselves. Eat well.
Hi, cooking, eating has become routine.
Hello. Get ice cream.
Yeah. Hey.
Okay, small boss. Hi, I'll go and get something for you from the hotel. You have nothing left to eat here.
Yeah, eat some more.
This beer has no sentiments at all. Come and die, all of you, you scums. Ha.
Hey, what is all this?
We're playing the PR game, you know.
PR game?
Yeah.
PR himself doesn't have any game to play. Play.